Okay guys, we found a new light online there, and it just clips to the bottom of the Neo, and this kind of allows you to fly at night, whereas under normal circumstances you wouldn't be able to fly the Neo at night. And as you can see, this light is pretty bright, but I think the Neo actually needs a smaller light on top to look forward. But anyways, this is just a test. We're just out testing this little light pack that we found on Amazon there. We'll leave a link in the description. And it's kind of windy there, so let's just fly ahead a little bit, and then I think we'll call it a night.